Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to remove WhatsApp channel option. Okay, first things first, open WhatsApp. Tap then on the three dot icon in the top right corner of your screen. Go to settings, select chats, then tap on chat backup. Make then sure that your chats are backed up by Google Drive or your preferred backup method. Press and hold the WhatsApp icon on your device. Tap then on the app info and select uninstall and confirm your choice. After that, open your web browser and go to Google and search for WhatsApp old version. Choose then a reputable source where you can download an older version of WhatsApp and look for a version that predates September 13, 2023 for specifically. After that, just download the APK file of the selected older version. Once the download is complete, install the older version of WhatsApp on your device. Once done, open the older version of WhatsApp and log in with your phone number and set up your profile and verify your phone number. And as simple as it is, you can now remove the WhatsApp channel option. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now remove WhatsApp channel option. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.